All right. So should you or should you not create a shared Slack channel with a prospect that is in a proof of concept stage, trialing your software, or maybe just someone in a company that you want to have an immediate line of access to, right? A lot of sellers these days who are going through proof of concepts or selling through trial, meaning the customer or prospect rather is using your software to come up with whether or not they want to make a purchasing decision. They're testing your software. Usually it's applied up against a real-time use case, something that the business is actually trying to solve for. But what's the best way to keep communication going? To share resources, to answer questions rapidly, to show your best showing of support. I believe it is setting up a secure Slack channel between your prospect and you and your selling team. Most of us in the enterprise sales space who sell data, AI, some sort of complex technology, we usually have a team behind us, and that team is made up of sales architects and product people, maybe even support. But if you're going to set up a Slack channel between the prospect and you during a trial or POC process, it is critical that that Slack channel is loaded with resources immediately. Files, documentation, PDF, use cases, case studies, any sort of supporting documentation that you can get into that Slack channel at the onset is critically important to the success of the POC, the testing criteria process, and whether or not you're going to get a deal. The other pieces I would add are your master services agreement, legal documentation, any sort of security docs that you're going to basically need to close the deal. Get all that stuff into a central repository that is shared, start working together as a unit, almost act as if that prospect is already a customer. And I guarantee you, you'll close more deals. Good luck.